All right, I want to go over a couple of the keys to surviving a differential equations course. First and foremost, you have to know your calculus. So differentiation is important, but in particular anti-differentiation, integration. So the techniques that you learned were substitution, so both U substitution and trig substitution, so integrations by parts and integration by partial fractions. I know that means 99.9% of all students in differential equations have to go back and review that, but that's what it's going to mean. We'll review it a little bit as we go, but it's on your head to know those techniques. Next, you've got to complete all your homework. The only way to learn the material is to do a lot of problems, and the homework is where you will get that practice. And not only that, but the material builds upon itself as the course progresses. So if you fall behind, you're in huge trouble. And also, check your answers. Use the resources that you've got. And finally, get help early. So there are lots of online resources where one can look for help, but in particular, we've got a class discussion board that you should use. You should come to office hours or just drop in. I'm usually available. Also, start that homework early because there's not time to ask questions if you start it an hour before class or maybe even the night before it's due. Always start it as early as you can.